Good morning everyone, Belot with personal project which is about, and the members are Ivan Duran Santos, Javier Salome Salamanca, and Jose Luis Perez Chamorro.
What is a bot? A bot is an informatic program that can the human behavior simulate. Usually, these programs have been used to realize repetitive and easy works. We can find more than one bot on social networks. Microsoft Azure is a cloud service platform. Azure offers diverse services. One of those is called Web App Bot. This is the nucleus where we will develop our project.
We have realized that due to the pandemic, people have distanced themselves a lot from their friends, so they are susceptible to falling into depression. We know that people be natural as social beings, which means that we should talk about someone with someone. But what happens when there are no people to talk to? This is where we as Autotrónica engineer students have to focus on solving the problem. For this we consider the use of a bot so that people can talk without problem. Objectives: have as user 15% of the world population that as Facebook. Increase the number of users by 50% every 6 months. Every 3 months increase the number of questions and answers by 20%. Experiment with Azure platform tools. Research every day for 15 days on a new topic or conversation and cover at least 18%.
Project scope. As engineering students, we have considered that the project scope will be poor with a real-use view. No one on the team has any knowledge about psychology topics. On account of this, it will be difficult to make a correct knowledge base on a short time. We should underline that it's important the use of tendency technologies as Azure. We expect to implement this bot on a social network just for 1 week because it's expensive to support this cloud service in real life.
Project application chatbot. This type of bot allows you to interact and communicate with people through a social network partners, be developing a new identity or be impersonating that person. They are generally used to spread political programs or to support certain organizations. Evidence of progress. In this section the progress of our project was placed. We can observe different types of questions, which their answer, which will be the database of our bot.
Timeline. With this project, we must deliver just 2 important documents. The first evidence has the product introduction, prototype, and other important inquiries. We have sent this document on February 24th. The second evidence will be sent on 1 week. This document should have information about the corporative image, trademark, the implementation of our project, and more additional inquiries too. The time of the implementation does not depend on us, depends on Facebook.
Conclusion. Our bot works an artificial intelligence which is capable of interacting with people in a way that bot can understand each other and can progress the information to help people suffering from the depression. Currently, this bot will be implemented in one of the most popular networks, famous as in the case of Facebook.
Nowadays, it's very important to use the tendency technologies and to have present all the new paradigms. We are trying to combine both and develop a solution to a problem.